Most agencies charge around $2,000 and take several days to build a complete lead generation campaign. That usually includes market research, a lead magnet, landing pages, outreach messages, and follow-up emails. LeadFlux AI is designed to help you create those same campaign assets yourself in a fraction of the time. Instead of spending days doing repetitive marketing tasks, the platform uses AI to help generate the research, lead magnets, landing pages, outreach content, and email sequences from one place. Everything is organized inside a single dashboard, so you don't have to jump between multiple tools. You get access to 6 campaign building tools, 150 professionally designed templates, support for 40 industries, and integrations with 7 email platforms. The best part is that it's a one-time payment of $37 with no monthly subscription fees. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it without long-term commitment. LeadFlux AI is built for people who want to spend less time doing marketing grunt work and more time growing their business. Why not just use ChatGPT? You can use ChatGPT, but creating a complete lead generation campaign usually means multiple prompts, repeating information, and manually connecting everything together. LeadFlux AI simplifies the process by generating your audience research, lead magnet, landing page, and email sequence from a single offer, keeping everything consistent and ready to use. Plus, it includes templates and email integrations that save you time and effort. Page Builder and email integrations. LeadFlux AI helps you create professional landing pages without needing design skills. You can start from scratch, choose from 150 ready-made templates across 40 industries, or use AI-generated content. Features like A/B testing, geo-targeting, and one-click export are built in, helping you create pages that look polished and trustworthy. It also connects directly with popular email marketing platforms such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, Brevo, ActiveCampaign, and more. Once connected, new leads automatically flow into your email system, saving you time and eliminating manual work. 6 tools, 1 complete lead generation campaign. LeadFlux AI gives you 6 powerful tools that work together to help you build a complete lead generation campaign from start to finish. You're always in control. Generate, review, edit, and launch everything your way. It starts with market and audience research, helping you understand who your ideal customers are and what motivates them to buy. Next, the Lead Magnet Builder creates valuable resources that encourage people to share their email addresses. The opt-in copywriter helps you craft compelling headlines and messaging that turn visitors into leads, while the Page Builder lets you create professional landing pages using drag-and-drop tools and ready-made templates. To help you reach potential customers, the Outreach Generator creates cold emails and direct messages designed to start conversations. Finally, the Nurture Sequence Writer builds follow-up email campaigns that keep leads engaged and move them toward becoming customers. Together, these 6 tools help simplify the entire process of generating leads and growing your business. Along with the software, you'll receive 5 practical bonus resources designed to help you get results faster. You'll learn how to build your first campaign step by step, discover proven offer and lead magnet ideas, and understand how to drive traffic to your pages using both free and paid methods. You'll also get insights into profitable niches that are easier to target, plus a straightforward guide showing how you can potentially turn these skills into a client-based business in the future. These bonuses are designed to help you move from simply owning the tool to confidently putting it into action. So, is LeadFlux AI worth it? I'd say it's definitely worth a look. What I like most is that it brings the entire lead generation process together in one place. You can research your audience, create a lead magnet, build a landing page, write outreach messages, and set up follow-up emails without constantly switching between different tools. At $37 one time with no monthly fee and a 30-day money-back guarantee, the risk is relatively low. But remember, LeadFlux AI won't magically bring you leads or guarantee income. You still need the right offer, audience, traffic, and strategy. If you want to save time and avoid doing all the repetitive marketing work manually, LeadFlux AI could be a pretty useful tool to have in your marketing toolkit. The complete funnel. One thing that can make or break a launch is the sales page. If the page feels rushed or obviously AI generated, people can lose trust quickly. LeadFlux AI takes a different approach with a complete funnel designed to guide customers from the initial $37 offer to higher level upgrades. You start with the $37 starter, which gives you the core LeadFlux toolkit. From there, you have the option to upgrade to Elite at $97, Platinum VIP at $197, or the agency license at $497 for those who want more capacity, automation, and commercial features. The idea is simple. Start with the basic toolkit and move up only if you need the additional features. If you buy through my link, I'll give you a free bonus package valued at $747. The bonus is a course, not a PDF, designed to help you earn up to $10,000 per month. To claim it, please take a screenshot of your purchase and send it to me on Facebook. I'll send your free bonus right away.
Look at what's on this screen. A lead magnet people actually want. A capture page that converts. A follow-up sequence that does the selling for you. An agency will charge you $2,000 to build this and make you wait a week for it, which is why most people never build one at all. And here's the real problem. It isn't one job, it's 6. And 6 jobs is exactly why the campaign in your head is still sitting in your head. So we built this. This is LeadFlux AI. You give it 2 things, your niche and your offer. That's the entire input. Everything after that it builds for you. It starts by learning who you're actually selling to, what they're afraid of, what they want, the exact words they use when they complain about the problem you solve. Then, it writes the thing they'll trade an email address for. Not a thin PDF nobody opens, something they'd have happily paid for. Then, it's the page that captures them, and you've got 3 ways to build it. You can build it yourself and drag every element exactly where you want it. Or you can open the catalog. 150 design pages across 40 industries. Yours is in there. You pick one, and it loads, ready to make it yours. Now look closely at this. That's not a template. That's not AI slop. That looks like a designer built it for one client and charged them properly for it. That was the bar, and we didn't ship until we hit it. And the AI writes the words for you, the headlines, the bullets, the copy that converts. You get 2 variants so you can test which one wins. Then you point that page at your email platform. Brevo, MailChimp, ConvertKit, 7 of them, ready to go. And every lead that page captures lands in your list automatically. You'll never touch a spreadsheet again. And if you'd rather send them somewhere else, you can wire it straight into Zapier. That's 7,000 other apps. Your CRM, your Slack, your spreadsheets, whatever you already run your business on. Then it writes the cold emails that start the conversation. And it writes the follow-up that turns a stranger into a buyer while you're busy doing something else. So that's research, lead magnet, page, copy, outreach, and nurture. 6 jobs in one afternoon, and all of it is yours. So it's $2,000 of agency work and a week of waiting. Or it's $37 one time with no monthly fee. Use it for 30 days, and if it doesn't build you a campaign you're proud to send, you take your money back. The launch price ends when the launch does. So click the button below and build your first campaign before lunch.